So the purpose of that this asset has been created so that all the DPHUs can be collectively showcased to the foreign visitors and the companies, those who are coming together. Because if you see the defense industry, most of the products are interlinked. Like AVNL is a manufacturer of the main vehicle, but few of the such systems that we manufacture, like the gun, it is from another DPHU. So at this place, you can see the products of all the defense public sectors because they are interlinked. Because most of the systems, model systems you will see outside, they will be installed in our platforms. So that serves the purpose because all DPHUs come together. If the foreigners come, if the foreign delegates come, they can be shown all these systems under one roof. So you can see in AVNL, because AVNL is basically into tank manufacturing, what we call AVCAS. So, and AVNL, erstwhile OAB, it was a part of erstwhile OAB, and they are all the tanks which are used by defense forces are manufactured by AVNL. And besides the tanks, now because of focus on R&D and other activities to meet the current demands of armed forces, we have gone into other verticals also, like naval vertical. We manufacture the receiving system for Navy, like Kavach. Then we make the main gun of various ships, which is called CRN. This is a 30 gun. This is all of the R&D activities that have been done. So, all engineers, we hold all the technology. My patents and other things are held by AVNL. So that gives us strength to export also. Rather than depending on the foreign OEMs for license clearances, now we can directly export also. That's a big advantage that is. And AVNL is also working on the indigenous tank engines, because all the tanks, the main power comes into engines, and we have to be self-reliant on engines. So we are manufacturing our own engines for the existing tanks also, and for the futuristic tanks like Arjun, we are trying to get 1300 and 1500 HPs engines, so that the future tanks are also ready. Instead of depending on foreign technology, we have our technology inside.